Hey, that's the motivational minister Billy Miller, and I'm here in the car. Just arrived at work. This morning it was real foggy outside, and I was just sitting here praying and stuff, talking to the Lord on the way to work, and it helped me realize that even though it was foggy outside, I wasn't complaining. I wasn't ready to just stay at home and quit because it was foggy outside. Actually, it was even expected. Sometimes on the way to work, it's not always sunny outside. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it sleets, sometimes it's windy. But nevertheless, I'm already expect those things, but I never let that stop me from getting to my destination. Well, likewise, the same should be with your goals and your dreams and your vision. You're going to go after your dreams. You're trying to fulfill your vision. But you should expect challenges to arrive. You should expect storms and distractions to try to hinder you from getting to your destination. So expect it, but don't let it hinder you. It's going to happen. I mean, if you think you're going to accomplish your dream without any challenges, then you probably don't have a big enough dream. But the reality is you're going to face challenges. It's not going to be an easy road, but expect it. And your main goal is to get to your destination. So you just keep on driving. You keep on pushing until you get there. Well, that's all I have for today. I'm Billy Miller. You can contact me at thewordisyourlife.com. Follow me on Twitter at Billy Miller, the number 7. Follow me on Facebook, which is facebook.com/Billy Miller Page. And Billy is spelled Billie. Thanks.